Now, did you have these restored, or did you get them restored?
I actually bought these from George Snyder.
You did?
The same George Snyder that was the Indy driver.
Wow, really?
And I purchased these from him, and he knew I was looking for some, and he called me up and said, I have what you're looking for.
Let's go around the horn here. Now, this is an oil pump, right?
Yes, it is.
And it would be used at a gas station?
Yes.
At what year? Do you have any idea?
Well, back in the 60s,
Okay.
late 50s, early 60s, what they do is they'd push this open,
Okay.
put a glass bottle in here, and it had a little metal funnel. You take the funnel off of it, and you crank this here, and it fills the bottle up. And there are quart bottles, so, and it had the spout built in them, and you just pour the oil into the engine. So,
Wow. Man. That's amazing. Polygas, I've never heard of that. Is that a real company?
yes,
It was?
they are. They were, and they're from back east.
Yeah, okay. And this is, now what are we looking at here? This is the top of a fuel pump? Is this a fuel pump? Top of a fuel pump? What is this right here?
Yes, that's the top of the fuel pump.
Okay, I see
And-
the line back there, right?
Yes.
And that
then-
would go into the
yes,
ground?
And then you could take and you could crank it to pump your gas.
Yeah. Man, a lot of work goes into these.
Same thing here. This is your pump. You take this off,
Yeah.
put it in your tank, and-
So yeah, one guy, you'd have to hold it with one hand and pump with the other.
unless you had a buddy with you.
Yeah. And you had to clean your windows.
That's right.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, that's cool. Man, that's amazing. All this stuff just, a lot of restoration in this, right?
Yes, and George did a great job restoring them.
Yeah. Now these right here are interesting because I didn't realize that they had mobile fuel tanks, right? Or
Yes.
that's what these are? Mm-hmm. I mean, with some of the trucks now, that would take up the whole fuel tank, right? But
Yeah.
they had small, they must have had small fuel tanks at one point, right?
Well, probably what, 16-gallon tank was huge back then.
Yeah. Look at this, man. That's incredible. Just kind of roll it over to your car and start filling it up.
Crank it up.
Yeah, very cool.